What if I told you that you could start making $100 a day online without any special skills or huge investments? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make $100 daily using DeepSeek AI, a powerful tool that's helping thousands of people create content, automate tasks, and turn their skills into profit. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or have any prior experience. I'll walk you through the exact steps I use, so by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started today. So, if you're serious about making money online, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. To get started, simply open a new tab in your browser and search for DeepSeek AI. Head over to their official website, and you'll immediately notice its clean, user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. DeepSeek AI is available both as a web platform and a mobile app, so whether you're on your PC at home or using your phone on the go, you can access all its features anytime, anywhere. I'm using a laptop for this tutorial. Click on the Start Now button. If you already have an account, simply enter your email or phone number along with your password to log in. If you're new, click on Sign Up to create your account. The process is simple. Just enter your email, create a password, confirm it, and then input the verification code that DeepSeek sends to your email. If you don't see the code in your inbox, check your spam folder. Still no luck? Just click Resend Code to get a new one. Once you're verified, you're all set to explore DeepSeek AI. Congratulations! You're all set and ready to explore DeepSeek AI and start making money. The dashboard will look familiar. It's similar to ChatGPT's interface, but with one big advantage. It's completely free. There's no need to upgrade to a pro version to unlock features. You get full access right from the start, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. To start using DeepSeek AI, simply type your text or prompt into the input box and press Enter. It's that simple. DeepSeek AI is a powerful and versatile tool designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, making it ideal for content creators, students, freelancers, and entrepreneurs alike. Whether you need to generate high-quality blog posts, articles, or social media content, DeepSeek can help you create it in minutes. It's also perfect for copywriting tasks like crafting compelling ad copy, product descriptions, and marketing materials. No matter what task you're working on, you can ask DeepSeek AI for help, and it will guide you to the perfect solution. Whether you need tips, step-by-step instructions, or creative ideas, just type your request, and DeepSeek will handle the rest, making your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Now, let me show you how to land projects and use DeepSeek AI to start making money. First, head over to Upwork, one of the biggest platforms connecting freelancers with clients worldwide. It's a marketplace where freelancers offer their skills, and clients post jobs they need help with, covering everything from writing and design to marketing and tech. To find work on Upwork, start by navigating to the Find Work section. From there, you can explore opportunities tailored to your skills. You have two simple ways to search for jobs. Browse by category. Use the job list on the left to explore different categories that match your expertise. Search with keywords. Type specific keywords into the search bar to find jobs that fit your niche. Since I'm looking for writing jobs, I'll search for roles like storytelling, website copywriting freelancer, and sales writing specialist. All perfect opportunities for writers. Scroll through the listings and focus on opportunities with high ratings, a fair price, and ones that match your skills and passion. Choosing projects you enjoy not only makes the work more fulfilling, but also boosts your performance, leading to better results, positive reviews, and more opportunities in the future. Before applying for any job, take the time to carefully read the job description. Make sure you fully understand the requirements and confirm that the role matches your interests and expertise. This way, you'll not only increase your chances of success, but also enjoy the work you're doing. But if you'd rather work independently and earn income directly from Google instead of relying on clients, I've got you covered. Follow along as I show you how to create your very own blog, completely free, and turn it into a source of passive income. With the right strategies, you can start making money through your blog. This means you'll have full control over your content, set your own schedule, and build a long-term income stream, all without answering to clients or meeting tight deadlines. Go to blogger.com, clicking Create Your Blog, and signing in with your Google account. To verify your identity, enter your password and proceed to the next step. In the title section, enter a unique and relevant name for your blog that reflects its content. Click Next to proceed. In the address section, choose a blog URL. If your preferred name is unavailable, try variations until you find an available one. Once selected, click Next to continue. Confirm your display name and click Finish. Congratulations, your blog is now live. Party Popper. As you can see, the default homepage is simple. To enhance its appearance, navigate to the Themes section. Scroll down to explore various categories and choose a template that best suits your blog style and niche. A well-designed theme improves user experience and makes your blog more visually appealing. To find the best templates for your blog, visit Gayabi Templates, a popular source for high-quality blogger themes. To quickly find the perfect design, you can filter templates by style, features, topic, or column layout. Before downloading a template, I highly recommend previewing the live demo to see how it looks and functions in real time. If you're satisfied with its design and responsiveness, you can proceed with the download and apply it to your blog. After downloading the template, navigate to the file location, right-click on it, and select Extract to unzip the contents. Ensure you have this XML file ready before proceeding. To upload the template, navigate to Customize in your Blogger dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Restore, then click Upload. Go to the Template section and upload this XML file to enhance your blog's design and functionality. Now that our template is uploaded and the blog is set up, now head back to DeepSeek AI and ask it to generate a blog post for you. Remember, the clearer your prompt, the better the results. Providing specific details like the topic, tone, word count, and target audience will help DeepSeek create a high-quality, well-structured post that meets your needs perfectly. Once your post is generated, simply copy the content and paste it directly into your blog. It's that simple. With DeepSeek AI, you can create high-quality blog posts effortlessly, allowing you to keep your blog updated with fresh content anytime you need. Next, let's monetize your post. Head over to Adsterra, one of the top ad networks for bloggers and content creators. If you're not sure how to get started, don't worry. I've got you covered. Check out the video linked in the description where I walk you through the entire process of registering on Adsterra and monetizing your blog step by step. Once you have your active direct link, copy it. Then, go to your post and find relevant words or sentences that can serve as keywords. Highlight the chosen text, click on the Insert Link option, and paste your Adsterra direct link into the field. Finally, apply the changes, and your selected text will now act as a clickable link, seamlessly integrating your ad into the content. You can add as many links as you want, but it's best to keep it balanced. Overloading your post with too many links can feel spammy and may turn off your visitors. Aim for a natural flow that enhances the user experience while promoting your content effectively. Once you're done, don't forget to publish your post so it goes live. Also, if you're interested in learning how I placed multiple ads on my blog to maximize earnings, check out the video linked in the card above. It's a step-by-step guide that walks you through the entire process. It's really that simple. DeepSeek AI generates the articles for me. Google hosts my blog through Blogger, and Adsterra pays me for the traffic my blog receives. The best part? I got all of this for free. The only thing that makes the difference is consistency. It's up to me to stay dedicated, keep creating, and watch the income grow. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow my journey as I share more tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides to help you succeed. Now it's your turn to take action and start earning. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tutorials. Bell. Speech Balloon, got any questions or want me to cover something specific? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Rocket. Keep hustling, keep growing.